What up guys and gals, short video this time to whiz through the key points for the amazing Edge Hill walk this coming Sunday the 20th of August. So the weather forecast looks fantastic. 7 miles of remote countryside scenery that looks so undisturbed and far away from civilization, so peaceful and tranquil. Get your name down if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? For those of you who like your outdoorsy walks, this will definitely be the best walk of 2023 for you. Don't forget, however, that I've put a warning on this event in the description to say that if you've got any recurring injuries or you're not used to a healthy bit of enduring exercise, then this walk is unfortunately probably not for you. There's some steep hills and plenty of long grass to drag your feet through, so some hard work will be required to reap the rewards of that dreamy scenery and those stunning views. So if you've not done a Friendly Faces walk before, I'll quickly go through the key details right now, the starting point, the rules, the things to remember to bring with you. And if you have done a Friendly Faces walk before and your memory isn't photographic, stick around for a minute or two while I whiz through this checklist. So here we go. The starting time, 1 PM. Do not be late. And if you decide you can't make it, please take your name off the list so that we don't stand there waiting for you. Perhaps aim to arrive at 12:45 so you can get your stuff out the car and be ready to kick off for 1 PM. The starting point is right outside the Castle Inn. The postcode is OX156DJ for the sat-navs. Parking, obviously as close to the Castle Inn as you can get. There's plenty of space to park on the road on the surrounding streets, so that should be just fine. Dogs, not allowed. Sorry, no exceptions. We'll be passing lots of roaming farm animals, so dogs are just out of the question. Walking shoes. The terrain will be everything you would expect of a cross-country walk, with there being lots of different surface types to walk on, so definitely get some good shoes. Trousers. Lots of nettles and tall grass along this route. Bare legs will get trashed, so you definitely need some hard-wearing trousers for this one. The weather looks perfect, as it should do for a mid-August summer's day, so make sure you bring a rucksack and put the following things in it. A hat, shades, sun cream, a bottle of water, important to stay hydrated, a waterproof, in case it rains, unlikely given the forecast, but best to be prepared. A homemade sandwich or two. We'll have a sit down about halfway, so good to have some lunch to chow down on when we reach that point. An emergency banana, a must for every Friendly Faces walk, obviously very important for emergency purposes. So it goes without saying that we always have an abundance of Friendly Faces and the opportunity to meet lots of new people and chat about all things, which should be enough to drag you out of the house in itself when you know you can expect that. And on top of that, the route, which is another one kindly put together by local resident Lisa. So I tested the route in full a few weeks ago with Lisa leading, and I know many people have been up Edge Hill before, but this route is much more than that. We'll start with Edge Hill to begin with, and then explore some fantastic scenes nearby, taking us over undulating hills and valleys. The test walk completely blew me away, and I can't wait to do it again. So if you like your long distance hikes, you cannot afford to miss this one. I just can't emphasize that enough. 7 miles, fantastic weather forecast, so many things to see, your phone will be bursting with pictures at the end of it. So yet another great Sunday afternoon in store on another Friendly Faces walk. Fresh air in your lungs, the wind in your hair, and lots of awesome people to share it with. You don't have to imagine how good you'll feel afterwards. Looking forward to getting together with you all on Sunday. Until then, Dean out.